She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Now, today's recipe is going to be pretty simple, yet a delicious one. Today, I'm going to make for you guys some fresh homemade salsa. Now, this is going to be an easy recipe that you can whip up anytime that you are wanting some salsa, and definitely it will not disappoint. So, if this idea of some terrific salsa flavors sound good to you guys, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me a comment down below and share this video out. I definitely appreciate the support. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so you're notified every time a new video drops. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so here is my take on a quick and easy salsa. I definitely recommend you try making your own salsa. It's not too hard as long as you have all the basic ingredients, and you can definitely tell that you're getting that fresh flavor of all the vegetables, the onions, the fresh garlic, the fresh cilantro. It definitely makes a difference, and you will probably choose that over the jarred stuff because this is just packed full of all of those wonderful salsa flavors. Alright guys, so if you did enjoy this video and quick recipe, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, you can drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. I always appreciate that. And if you are not subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified of each time I drop a new video. You guys take care, and thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.